Here's an interesting app called Stalkie, mobile detective realistic investigation story. It's in top charts, so super smart and creative idea. So Stalkie is an immersive narration investigation game where you become a detective and dive into a fake phone filled with fake apps, hidden data, deleted photos, and secret conversations. Your mission as a detective is to explore every detail, connect the clues, and uncover the truth behind mysterious situation. Each case puts you in shoes of a mobile detective, analyzing messages, browsing social apps, checking notes, galleries, calendars, and logged content. Nothing is random. Every contact or app can hide a crucial clue. Stocky blends storytelling, puzzles, and investigation to create a unique experience where curiosity is your best tool. So here is you can just see answer the question, solve the case, discover stories to secrets. I don't know, to be honest, whether this app is real legit app or some scammy app. You know, some of these apps can be just to collect your and sell your data. And then you can see ready to investigate. Then you can just do 1 year or 1 week to have all of episodes unlocked. Uh, Tap here to switch episodes. And then you just need to kind of browse like that and just kind of browse in here and just go through the phones and just discover this. That's super addictive kind of app, super smart. And then, for example, all right, so now you can just answer this. So you can see I went to settings. So that's so then you can just see in here. That's kind of what it is. And super cool, interesting app. So check it out in here.